Yes, so dear student, today I will explain you in this lecture how to convert a octal number into a binary number and binary number into a octal number. So first we start with how to convert a octal number system into binary number. How to convert a octal number into binary number. Okay. So we know that the base of octal number is 8 and the base of binary number is your 2. So how to convert a base of 8 number into a base of 2 number? Let's suppose we have a number 1, that is a octal number. Let's suppose how we understand that this is a octal number. Either the statement is written that convert the octal number 41 into binary number, either number is given directly with having a base of 8, it means it is a octal number, because the base, I have already been taught you that the base of octal number is 8, and we have to convert this number into a binary. How we understand that we have to convert this into binary? Either in a statement it is given that convert the octal number 41 into a binary number, either by the subscript the base is denoted. So here at question mark the base is 2, so it means we have to convert this octal number 41 into a binary number. The very simple form to convert a octal number into a binary number is the format of 4 to 1. Remember the format of 4 to 1. This is the simple trick by which we can convert any octal number into a binary number. 4 to 1. See very carefully. So how you can represent a number 0 in 4 to 1 format? So 4 is not present, 2 is not present, and 0 is not present. How we just see that among the 4 to 1, by the addition of which numbers we will find out the number in which I want to convert. So let's suppose I want to find out 1. So where is the 1? It is not a 4, it is not a 2, it is 1. So just put 1. Okay. So 2 represent a 0. Okay, I change the color so you can understand this. So whenever you want to represent a 0 into a octal number, if a 0 of octal number you want to convert it into a binary, just write down 000. If you have any octal number 1 and you want to convert that octal number 1 into a binary number, then it will be 001. Now how you will show the number 2? Similarly, how you will show the number 3? How will show the number 4? How will show the 5? Then 6 and till 7, because octal numbers are only from 0 to 7. So let's suppose you have octal number 0, octal number 1, octal number 2, octal number 3, octal number 4, octal number 5, and octal number 6. So how they can be represented in binary? So there is a simple trick of 4 to 1. Remember this format. So by 2, how you can represent the 2 of octal number into a binary number? It is not a 4, it is 2, and it is not a 1. So 010 is the format by which you can represent a octal number 2 into a binary number. So for 3, now see, for 3 what we can do? Among these 4 to 1, by the addition of which numbers you will find out 3, because 3 is not directly written in 4, 2 and 1. Only 4 is written, 2 is written, and 1 is written at the topmost side, and red color I mention here. So how you represent 3? So by the addition of which number you will find out 3? By the addition of 2 and 1. So there is no use of this 4. By the addition of this 2 and by the addition of this 1, you will find out 3 only on this 4 to 1. You want 3 from this 4 to 1 format. So by 3 is not directly written, but we know that 2 plus 1 is 3. So we require these 2 bits, 2 and 1. So I just place the 1 and 1 over there, and 4 is 0. Okay. Similarly for 4 representation, because 4 is directly written, so we require 4, not a 2, not a 0, not a 1. So 100 is the binary representation of a octal number 4. Now what is the binary representation of a octal number 5? Because it is not directly given, but we know that among 4 to 1, by the addition of 4 and 1 we will find out 5. By the addition of 4 and 1 we will find out 5. So 4 we require, we don't require 2, and we require 1 also. So 101. Why I put 1 at the leftmost side? Because 4 is there. 4 is the representation. I want to represent it by the 4, and the rightmost one represent 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Again for 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. I know 4 plus 2 is 6. Among 4, 2 and 1 I have only 3 choice, 4, 2 and 1. So for 6 I have to add 4 plus 2, it means 6. So I require 4 and 2. So 1 and 1 at the place of 4 I put 1, at the place of 2 I put 1, and I don't require this one. For 7 I require, among these 4 to 1 choice, for 7 I have to use 4 plus 2 plus 1, it means 7. So all the 3 bits I require. So it is just 1, 1 and 1. So this is a table with the help of which you can convert any octal number into a binary number. This is a table by which you can convert any octal number into a binary number. So with the help of this table, with the help of this table you can convert any binary number to any octal number to binary number. For example, I have to convert 41, as in example it is given that you have to convert a 41 into a binary number. So how can we convert? Just write down the given octal number separately. So 4 is the first number and second number is 41. Now write down their binary representation from the table. What is 4? See, 4 is 100, 4 is 100. And what is 1? See the table, 001, sorry, 001. So what is the binary representation? Just the combination of these two, 10044 and 00141. So this is the answer of your representation of a binary representation of a octal number 41. So now 41 is converted into a binary number. When I will teach you the binary conversion into a octal, at that time we just choose this answer 100001 and we will convert it into a octal number, and we will check our result. What will happen we will see later on. Okay. Yes. Now the second is how to let's suppose choose any another example, so we can understand it separate one more time. Let you have a number of 10, then how you will convert it? How you will convert it? Let's suppose you have a number of 10, then how you will convert it? A very simple example, or choose any other another example. First, let's suppose you have a octal number 10. It is mentioned that it is an octal number because the base is mentioned as 8. Whenever 8 base is there, it means octal number, and you have to convert it into a binary number. Whose base is 2. So how you will convert? First, as I told you, first write down these numbers separately, and just from the table just see that what is the representation of these two octal number into binary. So see from the table, what is 1, that is 001, and what is 0 is 000. So what is your answer? Your answer is the combination of these two representation, that is 001 000. So this is your conversion of octal number 10 into a binary number. Now we just take one another example. So let's suppose it is given that you have octal number 375. Okay, because it is a octal number, so base is given as 8. Now you have to convert this number into a binary number whose base is, we know, always 2. So how can we convert? it? Okay, so now the same procedure as I told you in these two previous example. First of all, write down these 3, 7 and 5. 3, 7 and 5. 3, 7, 5. Okay, to convert that into a binary representation, just see the table, and from the table we understand 3 is represented by 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 7 is represented by 111, and 5 is represented by 101. So the combination of these 3 is my answer. So 0, 1, 1. Kindly mute your mobile. I once again check. 3 is 0, 1, 1. 7 is 111 and 5 is 101. So the combination of these 3 is my answer. 0, 1, 1, 111, 0, 1, 1, 111, 101, and this is my answer of representation of this number 375 into a binary number. Now, so this is my answer of these 3 questions, and it is very simple to convert them into any octal number into a binary number. Now I am going to teach you how to convert a binary number into a octal number, and for that we just take these answers as our examples, and we will find out the answer of octal number. If they are similar to the whatever given, then our procedure is we can cross check the result also. Okay, now I am going to teach you how to convert a binary number into a octal number. Binary number into octal number. How to convert a binary number into a octal number? So for that you again use the same table. But keep in your mind, whatever the binary number is given, just write down that number first of all in a combination of 3 from the rightmost side. See very carefully. Let's suppose it is given that you have a number 100001, and you have to convert that number into a octal number, because at the subscript it is given 8. So base is 8, it means you have to convert that number into a octal number. So first of all, whatever the question is given, just write down that one. 1, then 0, then 0, then 0, then 0, and then 1. One, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 it is given. Okay, now from right side choose a combination of 3. From the right side. Okay, so not start from the left side, otherwise you will do the mistake. How the mistake can be happen, I will tell you after these 1 or 2 example. I will tell you that how, if anyone start from the left side, how he or she can do the mistake. So start from the right side, a combination of 3. So this is a combination of 3 bits, then again the combination of 3 bits. Okay, then just check the table and see what are they belongs from which octal number they belongs from. 100 and 001, sorry, 100 and 001. Just check the table and see. So 100 is 4. 100 is your 4. Okay, And what is 001? See the table, 001 is 1. Yes. So what is your answer? Just the combination of these two bits, 4 and 1. They are 100001. So very simple format. But keep in your mind that for to find out this answer, we have to start from the rightmost side and combine 3 bits from the rightmost side. If you start from the leftmost side, then you may do mistakes. What kind of mistake you can do, I will tell you after 1 or 2 examples. See, now let's we have a binary number, this one, that is very simple, 001000. It is very simple. Okay, 001 is a combination, 000 is another combination. Okay, let's just take an example of this one. Let we have a binary number 011111101. Okay, I separate this one. Kindly wait.
हाँ नमस्कार भाई साहब, गरम गरम कचौरी जलेबी बाबा की बर्फी आनी चाहिए।
This is a binary number. So now and we have to convert that number into a octal number. So what is the procedure? As I told you, first of all write down that number separately. So 0 0, then kindly wait. Yes, so first of all I start 0 0, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 0, and then 1. Once again I check 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, just write down the numbers and start from the right side and just make a group of 3. Make a group of 3 from the right side, not from the left side. Once again I am telling you, the right side. Okay, now from the right side when I start, group of 3 only, group of 3 only. See this one. So these are the group of 3. Yes, this is a group of 3 and this is a group of 3. Okay, so 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. So from the right side we just start from the right side and group them in a group of 3. Now just check these numbers from the table. Now just check these numbers from the table. Now see, where is this 0 1 1? So 0 1 1 is your 3. Where is your 1 1 1? The 1 1 is your 7. Where is your 1 0 1? 1 0 1 is your 5. So what is the answer of binary octal representation? That is 375 in octal. So the base is 8. So we just see 2 examples on binary number into octal number, as well as we just cross check the result of previous topic, that is octal number to binary number. Now I am going to tell you that where someone can do the mistake. If suppose your number is let's suppose your number is 101001111. Okay, let's suppose your number is this. Okay, and you have to convert this number into a octal number. I am going to explain you an example. Kindly see it carefully. Okay, let's suppose you have a number 1010011. 111 in binary, and you have to convert this number into a octal number, because the base is 2. At the left side the base is 2, and at the right side the base is 8. Okay, so how you can convert this number? As I told you, first of all write down this number. So number is 1, then 0. See very carefully: 1, then 0, then 0, then 1, then 1, and at last 1. 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now, if someone start from the left side, for example, if someone start from the left side, first I will tell you the correct answer, then I will tell you how the someone can do the mistake. So start from the right side and group of 3. So these are the group of 3. See very carefully, these are the group of 3. Now what to do with this? Because there are only 2 bits remaining, 1 and 0, not the bit. So whenever start from the rightmost side, do the grouping of 3, and at leftmost side, if you do not find a group of 3, just mention 0 there, so that the last group can be completed. Once again I repeat, whenever you want to convert a binary into an octal number, just write down the binary number, and from the rightmost side make a group of 3 bits, right? So here a group of 1 1 1 1 0 0, and if at the leftmost side there is no possibility of group of 3 because of only 2 numbers or 1 number left, then consider the keep remember it. Yes, so this 0 I just mention it to complete a group. Okay, now check the table and find out from which octal number they belongs from. 0 belongs from 4 and 0 1 0 belongs from 2. So it is actually 0 1 0, that is 2, this 1 0 0 is your 4, and this 1 1 1 is your 7. So what is my answer? Answer is 247. Answer is 247. Okay, this is the octal representation. But if someone do a mistake by considering the grouping from the left side, first of all I mention a cross over there because it is a wrong thing to do. Okay, now if someone do the same thing but grouping from the left side, what was my number? 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, if by mistake someone group from the left side, so 1 group, 2 group, and here only 2 numbers are there, so to complete that group he or she can type 0. Okay, and I encircle this so you will understand that here is the I mention from my side is 0. Okay, now he will check the table, he or she will check the table and write down the answer as 5 1 and 6. And 6 516 516, but that is wrong, that is completely wrong, because I told you that whenever any octal binary number is given and you have to convert that number into an octal number, just remember we have to start the grouping from the rightmost side, okay, and the leftmost side bit is 1 minute. So we start from the rightmost side. We start from the rightmost side and do the grouping of 3. Do the grouping of 3. Okay. So this is how to convert a octal number system into a binary number and how to convert a binary number system into a octal number system. So I think you understand this and it will be very useful for you.